ऑन दॅट बिफोर आय गो टू डायरेक्ट निलेश बाब तुमी कशें पळयता कारण एक गजाल दिसता की अशी अमेंडमेंट आयली की सगळ्या पयलीं आरोप जाता हे रियल इस्टेट लॉबीक हेल्प करपा खातीर बिल्डर्स लॉबीक हेल्प करपा खातीर तुमकां खरेंच असले अमेंडमेंट्स जाय काय कितें किंवा तुमकां खरेंच असली डेव्हलपमेंट जाय काय कितें
See, planning is a dynamic process. What was good 10 years ago may not be good today, may not be good 10 years hence. So we have to have a flexible and open mind when we come to planning strategies. Our only point of view is that whatever you make should not be detrimental to the environment, number one, should have all clarity and transparency, number two, and be a policy which is applicable to all. It should not happen that I get it and my neighbor does not get it, or my neighbor doesn't get it and I get it. These type of arbitrary decisions in planning should not be there. And once you have formulated a policy, please stick with it for the next 5 years, 10 years. We are open to change it after 10 years. But when somebody is making an investment or somebody is looking to come forward and have some forms of some projects which will give employment to the people of Goa. One day you have a policy, tomorrow you don't have it. That doesn't augur well for the investment. And it really upsets the it upsets the feelings of the investor.
तुम्ही जेन्ना फिलिंग्स ऑफ द इन्व्हेस्टर म्हणटात निलेश बाब देन आय विल गो टू डेरिक बाब फिलिंग्स म्हणटा सद्याच्या परिस्थितीक डू यू थिंक दोज फिलिंग्स आर हेम्पर्ड number one, number two, why? Because of the flip-flop in government policies or because of the protests and public opposition? What is more upsetting the investor?
It's both. It's both. The flip-flop in the government policy as well as the protests. Both upset the investor.
डेरिक बाब तुम्ही या मुद्द्याकडे कशें पळयता एक वटेच्यान हो एनवायरमेंटाचो मुद्दो आसा दुसरे वटेच्यान इन्व्हेस्टर कॉन्फिडन्साचो मुद्दो आसा whether it is really possible to strike a balance between the two?
See, first of all, we tend to refer to builders as like building lobby or somebody with a vested interest or nothing. Building is an industry. It's a business, and everyone who starts a business wants to make money. That is clear. Okay, I don't see anything wrong in that. But that would make builders as one of the stakeholders. It would make environmentalists one of the stakeholders. Landlords would be one of the stakeholders. People in villages would be one of the stakeholders. The question is, are you consulting all these stakeholders before you are coming forward with a policy? Salkar is very right. There is no policy. The last real big policy I think that we had was the Regional Plan 2021. Which identified land, which identified everything clearer. After that, there's been like a flip-flop, and what has happened now recently is totally confusing. First, you have a TCP minister who went hammer on tongs and said land is converted illegally, and then you have him saying like, no, we need to build golf courses and give farmlands for construction. Then you have him saying, okay, 16B needs to be taken out. So this is a confusion.
Yeah, Nilesh, you wanted to make a point.
If you look at the sequence of events, when the 2011 plan was scrapped and opened for suggestions, 90% of the suggestions that came in at that time were for change of personal land use. 90% of the suggestions. Nobody had anything to say about the transport system. Nobody had anything to say about the public roads. No bus base. No planning point. No objections from planning point of view came. 90% of those said that please convert my land from either A1, A2 to S1, S1 to C1, C1 to whatever. And when the plan was finally notified, these same people stood down and created the protests.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात की डबल स्टँडर्ड आसपाक जायनात जेन्ना आमी कितें मागतात ताकाच आमी मागीर वचून विरोध करप सिद्धार्थ बाब तुमकांय अशेंच दिसता तुमकांय ही डबल स्टँडर्ड दिसतात काय देर आर 2-3 पॉयंट्स दॅट आर रेज बाय अभिजीत की प्रत्येक खेपेक सरकाराची पॉलिसी येता तेन्ना एग्रीकल्चर जमनीचें कन्वर्शन बिकम्स अ सेंट्रल फोकस अशें दिसता की कांय प्रोविजन्सच केल्यात की कन्वर्शन फॅसिलिटेट करपा खातीर इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोना भितर वचपा खातीर हाऊ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू बोथ दिस थिंग्स
One sec, I just
मुद्दे मांडपाक सोदता.
Yeah,
just want to interrupt Siddharth, if you don't mind. If you don't mind.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Just, I think we shouldn't give protests a bad name. protesting is in a democratic society and in a democratic system is the norm. It is not wrong, it is not illegal, it is not something bad, it is norm. It has to happen. People have to have this right to protest. So please don't try and shame protests or, make it like some bad
ओके
word.
या सिद्धार्थ.
I will agree with Derek. Definitely, protests make democracy healthier. But ut-sut jar protest करपाक लागले, then the protest also becomes a joke. People also lose faith from that protesters. म्हाका दिसता आतांच अभिजितान म्हणलें कॅपॅसिटी, वी हॅव रिच्ड कॅपॅसिटी. आतां कॅपॅसिटी ही कोणे डिफायन केल्या? आर देर एक्सपर्ट्स टू डिफायन इट, ऑर जस्ट लायक हांवें म्हणलें की ना 15 लाख गोंयकार जाले आतां पुरो, आतां वी शुडंट प्रोक्रिएट, वी शुड जस्ट स्टॉप इट अँड कॅप एवरीथिंग. That is not the way. There are experts, there are people who will decide. And Goa is quite big enough. आयज आतां निलेशान उदोळ म्हणलें, the planning is a dynamic process. आयज म्हाका जें जाय तें म्हाका 10 वर्सां पयलीं नाका आशिल्लें. फुडल्या 10 वर्सांनी my needs will change. My next generation, somebody said that, where will the next generation build? That means we are agreeing that the next generation also wants to construct. There are certain structures, constructed monstrously almost 100 years back. ज्या जाग्यार आयज ओल्ड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, इट्स अ मॉन्स्ट्रस स्ट्रक्चर. इफ यू कंपेर इट 100 years back, it was a marshy land, but it was constructed. A college ran in it. Asia's first medical college came in it. There were good things happening there, and today it has been converted into art and culture center. I think the requirements are changing. We have to think a little bit ahead of times and plan for it. Nothing bad in the environment should be there. And of course, consultation process is there. The law also defines it, and the law also follows it in letter and spirit. But coming on the streets every now and then for everything, every decision gives a bad taste.
या अभिजित या.
Can I respond?
Yes, please. Yeah.
So there are a couple of things. सिद्धार्थ बाबान 2 इश्यू रेज केले. एक म्हणटा ते प्लॅनिंग जावपाक जाय आनी प्लॅनिंग डेटा आनी सायन्साचेर बेस जावपाक जाय. आतां 2006 साकून सगळे हे जे रिजनल प्लॅनचे डॉक्युमेंट, सरकाराचे डॉक्युमेंट आसात, ते क्लियरली सांगतात की खंयचेय डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन कसलोच डेटा ना, कसलीच स्टडीज नात आमचे कडेन. आमी आयज काळखान आसात. दीस इज अ वर्ल्ड जे जगात आयज सायन्साक कसलोच रिस्पेक्ट ना. सायंटिस्ट आयज कितें करतात? सायंटिस्ट आयज आमकां सांगतात की म्हज्यान पब्लिकान उलोवपाक जायना. आयज NIO सायंटिस्टान सगल्यांक बरोवन दिवपाक पडटा की आपूण हाजेर भायर पब्लिकान उलोवपा ना. ही आमची आयज परिस्थिती आसा आनी गरज आसा की जें प्लॅनिंग जातलें, इट शूड बी बेस्ड ऑन सायंटिफीक डेटा एंड ऑन स्टडीज. तुमी हे जे एमेंडमेंट काडला हाजे फाटल्यान हांवें चीफ टावन प्लॅनर जेम्स मॅथ्यू विचारलें, कितें डेटा तुमी कन्सिडर केलो? कसलोय डेटा आमी कन्सिडर करूंक ना म्हणटा. दॅट मीन्स दीज आर ऑल आर्बिट्ररी डिसिजन. दुसरो पॉयंट आसा तोय हांव रिस्पॉन्ड करता की कन्सल्टेशन जे सिद्धार्थ बाब म्हणटा ते कशें जावपा जाय? आमचे भारतीय कॉन्स्टिट्युशना प्रमाणे जावपा जाय. आमचो कॉन्स्टिट्युशन आर्टिकल 243 G, W, X, ZD आनी ZE हें क्लियरली सांगता की स्पेशल प्लॅन्स हॅव टू बी प्रिपेर्ड एट द वॉर्ड लेवल. लोकांनी हे प्लॅन तयार करूंक जाय. तुमी आपल्याक जाय ते करून लोकां कडेन धाडटले आनी लोक ते समजतले आनी ऑब्जेक्ट करतले. दिस इज नॉट द प्रोसेस इन द कॉन्स्टिट्युशन एंड दिस इज नॉट अ डेमोक्रेसी.
Okay. Before I go to Derek, yeah, okay.
Type of method was tried. I wouldn't say adopted. It was tried after the regional plan 2005 was scrapped. The village panchayats were asked to come up with their plans, but the village panchayats don't have the expertise. They don't have the capabilities. It is just not possible.
I
Just
don't agree.
just not possible.
I don't
for
agree.
them
हांव
to-
एकच एडिशन करता.
How many out of the 189 came with the
I will respond.
plan?
Yeah, Abhijit, I'll just take Siddharth's question. Yeah.
आता पयरूच CRZ प्लॅन गेलो. CRZ प्लॅन खंय तरी विलेज लेवलाचेर गेलो. आता फक्त विलेज लेवलाचेर उदो ताणें निलेशान म्हणिल्ले भशेन विलेज लेवलाचेर एक मागणी येताली की म्हजें घर घाल, म्हजें स्ट्रक्चर तातूंत घाल. See, that is not how the planning is done. म्हजें घाल, तुजें नाका, तुजें घाल, म्हजें नाका, हें प्लॅनिंग न्ही. रस्तो घाल नाका, थंय रस्तो घाल पूण तो 3च मिटर दवर, एकूच गाडी वचपाक जाय, म्हजीच गाडी वचपाक जाय, हें चलचें ना. आमकां सगळे सोसायटीचें पळोवपाक जाय, चिंतपाक जाय. ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट आमकां चिंतपाक जाय. फुडलीं 30-40 वर्सां चिंतपाक
Okay, on that point, Abhijit,
On that point,
Abhijit is not